We found the mother lode.
That is a serious leak. You iguana, were you sleeping there? We're out here trying to start iguana hunting. The sun just came out and this guy was on the ground and I was able to left hand catch him with the gun in my right hand. Look at him. He's got his fancy hat. He's vicious. An invasive species here in South Florida. He has his little dinosaur back going on right here. Look at that. Isn't he fun? It's a large male brown basilisk.
I got him. He's gone.
Okay, so we found our first iguana here. CJ spotted it. He's going to tell me where it's at right now.
I'm coming back. All right, I gotta pause this for a sec.
Wait a moment before I take a shot.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're good.
He finally spotted this iguana, y'all. It is sneaky to see. So let's see if I can hit him. Probably 15 to 20 yards up. So it's only a silhouette because of the lighting so far this morning. Let's see if I can find him.
I'll let you know when So remember the branch I was telling you about?
I think.
Hold on.
Let me know when you're ready.
I got him.
Maybe I'll call him in the chin. Oh. You hear the pop? Yeah, push it in.
Where is he? Oh, he's right here.
See?
Yeah. He's about to fall. See him
swinging?
swinging?
I see him, I see him.
Yeah.
I can knock that down, that's good. Oh man, look at the snail eggs. These are invasive apple snail eggs right here. And if they get submerged in water, they actually die. So this is hundreds of invasive snails that we would get. So we're gonna, they're kind of satisfying to crunch and crush.
Yeah.
You want to get a little closer? They make a crunching sound.
Hold on 1 second. Ooh. Sorry.
You're good. We're gonna break off the whole group and it's gonna be gross. Like that.
Oh yeah.
Snail eggs.
Delicioso.
What is this, like escargot caviar?
Caviar.
So if we submerge them, they'll die eventually. And that's why the snail comes up out of the water to lay the eggs. Tons of snail eggs. Look at those snail eggs. Apple snails are not part of this ecosystem, not part of what we're supposed to have in South Florida, and yet another invasive species.
Dun dun dun.
Here's an apple snail shell, just to show y'all. There you go. Some animals here do eat them, so there are a few animals that have started to benefit from them, but overall they're not good for the environment according to the state. So they do encourage people to destroy the egg chunks that you find like this. So you got to make sure you get them all. There's a bunch right here. You can throw them at people. No, I won't do that.
No.
Snail eggs. Snail eggs. The fish can eat them.
Oh yeah.
Snail eggs. Look how many there are.
Healthy breakfast.
I mean, there's thousands of eggs that are throwing in the water here. Look, more and more and more. I don't know, maybe they can be in the water. Look, these are in the water.
Nice.
Delayed kick into the water.
Yeah. Oh, grab him, grab him. Grab him. Oh. We found the mother load.
It's a good size iguana. Looks like she already laid her eggs for the year.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
A girl. Is it a boy?
Let's find out.
It's a girl.
It's a Sheila.
She already laid. You can see that she's indented here.
Mm-hmm.
Skinny.
Yeah, you can see by those little veins going up and down.
Yeah. Watch your step behind you.
Nice shot. Oh,
We
yeah.
still have that little one laying on the ground. We can't forget about. It's an iguana walking out on the branch above us.
Listen, we found this tree. I don't know if you heard in the background, but this tree is loaded.
Is it?
Yes, look. Loaded. Loaded with iguanas. And then
We
look
always like those pines.
and then look at the king alpha at the bottom.
Right there. There's iguanas right here.
Oh my goodness.
There's one big one up there, a big one there, and a little one walking right here.
Oh, I see.
There's a huge one going up right here. Can you smell it? I smell the
Yeah.
poop.
This place is infested. Look at the ground.
Right here.
All this poop. Where is he?
So he's moving right up there. You see the movement in the leaves?
Yeah. Oh, he's way
There's a
up there.
few of them up there.
I see him.
I'm just looking for a headshot. There's a few giant iguanas up there.
I see him. I just can't zoom in on him.
Walking right there. There he comes. That was a headshot. You see him clinging the branch?
Yeah. Nice shot.
Hold on, let me see if I can get him in the head again. His body's all I see.
Oh my goodness.
I know there's huge ones up there. Okay, I'm gonna hit this guy in the pelvis so maybe he'll fall.
All right. Oh, that's a beast. Here, come out this way.
Got a big boy like 20, 25 yards up there. There's another one moving right there.
I see it.
Okay, let's go for the big one.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say, he's just eating them. Got him in the eye. Here he comes.
What was that?
I don't know, what was that?
Snakehead, probably. Hopefully. Woo! That is a big boy. Brought to you by JSB Solutions.
Just under the eye, got him.
Nice shot.
Man, these guys are beasts. If you don't hit them just right, they're not coming down.
Nope.
The wind's also kind of whipping. I was definitely getting some Jerry on the further shots.
Yeah.
It's going a little right. Man. So we just had one running right here in the leaves. That's why I wanted to get that one that was moving.
Yeah, it's right here. He's right here.
Oh, here's one right here. Through the blue sky.
Uh-huh.
He's
Oh, I
back
see it.
there.
I see it. Hold on. Let me get it on camera. All right, we're good. Nice.
Pelvis shot. Maybe we should just let him stack there. Look, we got one running right here. Two of them running right there.
Get him. jump from one branch to the other.
There. He's out. He's wiggling. See?
Yeah.
See where it lands if I make him fall. Oh, on another branch. We see him? I'm looking at us.
Hold on.
There. Another iguana. In the pile of iguanas. Doing the water dance. Look how he stopped. Oh, he wasn't done.
There's more.
I know there's so many more. I think I'm out of pellets. Go. You want to grab that one from me? I can maybe get the tail on this last one. You see the tail sticking out?
Yeah.
It's not even far. You want to hold that one like that, and we'll put another one in his head in just a second. Grabber stick right here. Look at this. Iguana on a stick. There we go. Got all of them. Got 2 iguanas. We'll be right back. We got to go get air. Okay, guys. We have an iguana in the pipe situation. There's the pipe. Iguana's inside. Let's see if I can show y'all. Turn the camera around for. Iguana in the pipe. Look at that. All right. Let's see if we can't set up something. I have an old trap, like really old trap. We're gonna see if we can't set up this trap to catch him when he comes out the pipe. Give me just a moment. Oh my goodness, this pipe is heavy, guys. It is super heavy. What we'll do is we'll just prop the door open. Hopefully he'll go straight in. Let's see what happens. Oh no. I'm still gonna try it. I think he's gonna run straight in. I'm gonna put you guys inside the trap. See if the iguana doesn't run straight at you. Okay, you guys are holding the door open. him! We got him! Got you, iguana, running around in the trap. We got him in the trap. I think he might have turned off the camera. Here, this is the oldest, funkiest, beat up trap ever. Got that iguana. Turn the camera around. We got you, iguana. Were you sleeping there? Huh? Were you sleeping in there? He's all cold. The pipe is cold. It's a little chilly this morning. We're at the beginning of February in 2024 and snagging some of the cold iguanas. It didn't get cold enough to freeze this year so far. Don't expect it to really, but still snagging them when they get cold because they sit around for a long time. Got you, iguana.
Hold on, let me find her real quick. Where is she?
Just jumped, actually.
So sorry.
He's not there anymore.
Alright. That's my fault.
I think we need to shoot faster on these. They're really evasive.
Yeah.
Okay.
My fault on that one.
No, no, me too. I didn't. As soon as I got it in the scope, it jumped.
Yeah.
Like immediately. One second, iguana.
And then you gotta be careful of these edges.
Let's go over here. There are a bunch over here.
I just seen that one. My bad.
Yeah, he's
We'll get it. Ooh, jeez. Quick. Big one. Straight up. Big one. You see him?
Yes. Tell me when you're on him. I have a branch in the way for the shot.
I'm on him.
Give me a second. The branch is in the way of the shot. Another iguana moving a lot behind him. Okay, I got a shot. Right there.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah. A big one behind that little one. He's walking on a big iguana right now. Oh, he's jumping around. Oh, it got away. That is a giant iguana right now.
Yeah, I only see his tail though.
I want to see his tail too. I don't want to take it if I can't see his head.
Yeah, true.
Right there. That's the big one right there.
Oh,
In between the split, you can see his tail, and there's movement below.
Oh, I
him.
see
That's
the head.
Little one. You see the head of that big one? Wait, where are
It's
you?
right under that thick.
Oh, I see it.
Should
have been a pretty good shot on him.
That was a good
Well,
shot.
came out anyway. He's climbing back up. There's also a head shot on him. Here he comes. Oh, there's an iguana. Is that one above him?
Yep. No, that's a bunch of branch.
Weird, gnarly branch. That iguana landed at the edge, so we'll be
Nice.
able to snag him. Try to go slow here and see who else we can spot. Oh, there's a big one right above me. Look straight up, looking down at me. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Like, will land on my head when I shoot it above me.
Wait.
Oh, he moved as I'm taking the shot. He didn't trust us. I'm looking. Where's he moving? Oh, I see him. I got him. There he is. What's he doing?
I can't see him.
I can't see him anymore either. He's right there though. Thought he was gonna fall right on us. Guys, this hunt was particularly difficult. Difficult to see the iguanas, difficult to hit the iguanas, difficult to retrieve the iguanas. This was a true iguana hunt.
You can kind of see it where I'm at, but it's hard.
Yeah, they're all hard.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, they're everywhere over here to the left. See him walking? See him walking right now?
Oh, yeah.
can't see him anymore. Oh my God, that's ridiculous.
There's nothing but leaves. Oh, there he is. There he is.
He has two of them right there, by the way. He just walked behind a second iguana. I'm trying.
It's all right.
I'm going for the one that's making all the racket if I can see.
Oh, there's one right there. I have a climbing up in the naked part to the right. Hey, come right here. Come right here. Okay.
Yeah, they're cool. Got him right in the eye.
Nice.
Hang on, I think there's a second one. Right there through that blue sky. Isn't
Oh,
there an iguana on that branch right there?
Hold on. Yep.
Hang on, I can't see his head.
Oh, wait, you have a smidget. I can see his eye.
Oh, I see it from right
there.
here. I got you right here. Just don't step back.
I'm not going to move.
He's going up?
Yeah, I'm not going to move.
Got him too.
Yes.
Oh yeah, he's just hanging by a front foot. Oh, that was good. Yeah, I'm gonna knock him down.
Alright. Not moving.
There he goes. The edge of the water now.
Yeah. Where's that other one? There is
hanging up there.
What about that big one? Hold on, let me get you on camera.
I see his eye.
Get that nice air rifle.
Flipped his eye. Oh, I moved. Hang on. There he is. Oh, there's one next to him, to the left. It's walking.
I see it.
Can't see him. Right there next to him. Oh, I might be able to get a shot here. Let me see.
That big one's way at the top. Oh, that's the one near.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's him. You just got him in the eye. Now he's hanging.
I see him.
There was a bigger one up there. There's a larger one than him up there. I just don't see him now.
Oh yeah, it's right here.
Oh, I see up there now in that window.
Right here in my window. Yep.
Can you still see him?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's in this.
oh, yeah. That is a serious leak. Pull that. Tried to hit him in the blind. What is he doing? Is he standing up?
No, he's slowly falling.
I can't see him.
He's in that same. You gotta come where I am.
I'm coming around.
He's still there.
Okay. Oh, he's dead. He's like curled up. There we go. Let me see if I can make it fall. Different iguana film.
Oh yeah. Sheesh.
Just walked right here, real
Oh, I see.
obvious. Oh, here's the one we shot. It's falling right here. Oh. Here it comes. There he is on the ground. Right there, see?
Yeah.
His tail go up.
Yep.
We'll go to the other side and see if we can't get him, but I think I got a good shot off on him just now.
Nice.
I can smell the poop.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
There's got to be more in here. I'm going to step down and see if I can't see him from right over here.
Got you, Iguana.
I'm gonna start kind of throwing some up there so we can make a pile.
Yeah.
Here's one if you want to just throw it by the sidewalk, but not really, so we don't make a bloody spot on the sidewalk.
Oh my goodness.
Got a big boy right here.
Ooh,
Some
Nelly.
really big iguanas in here. You want to toss that one up with the others and
Yes,
see who else I
ma'am.
can retrieve. Pretty thick one.
Dude, it's pretty stinking stink.
One of those iguanas had poo on its head from landing in poo.
Another one. Another one. Should we 2 more? Should be like 2 or 3 in the water because it kind of fell over there, like out there.
I moved. Yeah. Don't see an eye anymore.
Here, come to your right, to your right. I have a headshot. Okay.
Swear got him right in the eye.
Nice. Wicked.
Got CJ with the atomic. Got an iguana right up there. Let's go. All right, about 20 yards, and there he goes. Nice shot. Single shot. There he is flopping in the water. Got you iguana. In the water. There's CJ's iguana. He got it in one eye and out the other. Got you iguana. Look, there he is hunting. Don't you make him follow me. I believe. Filming, there's CJ. Got the atomic. And there's an iguana right there. Go ahead. Ooh, single shot in a bunch of them. Very nice. We got CJ right above me, shooting an iguana. And it's right. It's right. Hang on, I'm trying to get the iguana. Okay, I got it. I can't see a head, I only see a belly. That's it. That's the iguana. Oh, I thought it fell. CJ is shooting a pretty good size iguana directly above us. You ready? Turn this way, and yeah, go ahead and shoot her. You have pellets?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, big girl. Oh, there's 2 more iguanas to the right. One's walking and one just walked left. You have 3 iguanas up there walking around. There's one in the spot she was. They just got there. If you look up in the same spot, he took her spot. A little bit smaller. Do you see it? Oh yeah, I heard that. That one's leaking now. Oh, it jumped.
I seen it.
Right there.
Nice.
Here it comes. Score. We need 3 more iguanas, guys. CJ, we need 2 more iguanas, guys.
That was the one I hit earlier.
CJ's been shooting iguanas. I've been shooting iguanas.
Right here.
They're everywhere.
There's one straight up. You see him?
I do see him. Wait. Oh, the glare's bad. Hang on. Oh, the glare is something special to look at. Hang on. I don't see his eyes anymore. His head. Oh, there it is. He made a branch. Oh! beyond frustrating. I give up there.
It's alright. The whole...
He's like a whole tree. We got another one to the right that's upset about him.
one just came out. Nice.
One to the right of that. On the branch.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Right. Let's see his head.
Walk
there
up.
He is.
Yep. Timber.
Right there at the edge of the water.
Nice.
So 3 there. But
4.
there's still 2 more iguanas up there.
Yes, there is. It's right here. You see it hanging like a Christmas tree.
Take them out of pellets.
Oh, shish
And let me
kebabs.
repellet, and we'll be right back with you guys.
Woo!
One more just fell out the tree, just landed in the water right there. That means we have 4 in the water. That's the last 4 we need to make our 26 count. And so we're gonna round this up, maybe hit a few more iguanas because they're here, and then we'll get a final picture. Thanks for joining.
This.
Wasn't there one that I had already hit that's up there that I need to hit again? Or is that who fell?
I think that's who fell.
There's an iguana right here.
Where?
Right there. See?
Ah.
Right there.
I see him.
He's a beast, man. Oh, already. True dangler right there. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Point out the shots that we're taking, multiple shots, we're not missing. These iguanas are impossible, man. You can see it just tore up all around the eye. I'm getting groups at the eye. They're just really hard to bring down. Iguanas are absolute beasts. Yeah. Okay guys, we just wrapped up a really fast hunt that had tons of iguanas. Iguanas were absolutely everywhere in the trees. They never came down. We started here in the morning and now it is about 12:15 in the afternoon. And so we've been here about 2 or 3 hours, but we have taken 27 iguanas and the quota was 26, so I couldn't be happier. CJ, the iguana ninja, got like 8 to 10 of the iguanas and I got the rest. We still have a few danglers stuck in the tree, but because I don't get credit for iguanas that I don't have photos of, they don't count. So this is the 27 that we recovered. We've got like 4 or 5 still in the tree. We can come back and pick those up later and still get credit for those though. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it's been so long since I put a video out. Please check out what I have been up to, which is the Cajun Classic over in Louisiana. And I'm gonna start getting videos out to you real soon, showing all the fun iguana hunting this summer in 2024.